Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to our Amharic Words series. This is video 5. In today's lesson, you will learn 7 basic Amharic words start with the letter Ho. Each word is very helpful, but I want you to pay close attention to the example sentences because that is how you learn to speak naturally. And don't forget you can download the PDF of the words and example sentences from Ha to Ho on my website. It is free and there is no sign up process, and the link is in the description below. Okay, very good. The first word start with Ho is hod. Hod. Hod means stomach or belly. ሆዴ በጣም ጮኸ። ሆዴ በጣም ጮኸ። ሆዴ በጣም ጮኸ። My stomach rumbled loudly. ሆቴል 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 is hotel in Amharic. እዚህ አካባቢ የሚመች ሆቴል አለ። እዚህ አካባቢ የሚመች ሆቴል አለ። There is a comfortable hotel around here. Hospital. Hospital is hospital. Okay, hotel is hotel, hospital is hospital. በጠና ስለታመምኩ ወደ ሆስፒታል ሄድኩ። በጠና ስለታመምኩ ወደ ሆስፒታል ሄድኩ። I went to the hospital because I was very sick. በጠና means badly. አራተኛ ሆኗል። ሆኗል, this is a verb. ሆኗል, he or it became. became what? became past ነው። የአየሩ ሁኔታ በጣም ቀዝቃዛ ሆኗል። የአየሩ ሁኔታ በጣም ቀዝቃዛ ሆኗል። The weather has become very cold. ሆዳም 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 means gluttonous. በጣም ሆዳም አትሁን። በጣም ሆዳም አትሁን. Don't be very gluttonous. ሆኖ ሆኖ means to have been. መረጃውን ቅንነት በጎደላቸው ሰዎች የተሰራጨ ሆኖ አገኘሁት። መረጃውን ቅንነት በጎደላቸው ሰዎች የተሰራጨ ሆኖ አገኘሁት። I found the information to have been spread by people who lack sincerity or integrity. ምን ሆኖ ነው? ምን ሆኖ ነው? ምን ሆኖ ነው means what happened to him? what happened to him? የሆነ ያልሆነ ምክንያት አትስጠኝ። የሆነ ያልሆነ ምክንያት አትስጠኝ። Don't give me all sorts of excuses. ሆን ብለው ሆን ብለው deliberately. እነሱ ሆን ብለው የተሳሳተ መረጃ ለሕዝብ ያሰራጫሉ። እነሱ ሆን ብለው የተሳሳተ መረጃ ለሕዝብ ያሰራጫሉ. They deliberately spread inaccurate information among the population. Great job for today. We just learned 7 common Amharic words start with the letter Ho, and even more important, you saw how to use them in sentences, alright, in a real life. You can download the whole lesson we covered it until now on my website easyamharic.com. The link is in the description below. It is free. There is no sign up process. Okay, you can download it and use it offline. And if you think this video is valuable, please like and subscribe for more Amharic lessons, and leave me a comment with your favorite new word or sentence that you learned today. And in the video series 6, we will learn words start with la. For example, lemon. Lemon. Why? ለምሳሌ ለምሳሌ. For example, it is here, right? So see you there. እዛው እንገናኝ. Ciao. ደህና ዋሉ። ደህና ደሩ.